Starknightmt windshield for the Yamaha Viking. After you open the box, you'll find there's instructions with it, 6 clamps, and a rubber seal to go across the bottom of the windshield. They also package you some stickers. Go ahead and get it open.
Yeah.
Once you've opened and gotten all the protection off of the windshield, they've added a thin layer of scratch resistant film over top of it. Alright, so we've already went ahead and went through the hassle of getting it mounted to where it will stay on. We put on the rubber seal. They do give you a little bit extra on the rubber seal in order to mold it the way you want. So we took it up the sides. I'm going to go ahead and put on the rest of these for you guys. So you just shove it through, push it through a mounting bar, put it on and twist it back through it. And pull it tight. And then get the rest of these. They're quick, simple, and easy. Not very hard to assemble. There we go. There you go. So as you can see, it is really nice and clear going through the inside of the side-by-side and the outside, and it comes packaged real nice and doesn't have any scratches on it.
You almost can't even tell it's there when you look this way. I mean, that's clear.
You can see through it, looks like glass.
I like it.
Alright, so the conclusion of the review is the windshield held up real good. There is no scratches on it. So it held up to being scratch proof. It's still clear. Nothing wrong with it. Got some mud on it. And it still held up real nice.